This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming basics. Your iPhone unlocked, the Apple Watch nearby and connected. Once done, open the Watch app and tap My Watch at the bottom. This is where the device settings live. You're skipping setup fluff and starting now. Tap the watch name at the top of the My Watch screen. This shows the current name and gives you an editable field. Make sure the devices stay close so the change will sync immediately to the watch and iCloud. Now you'll change the name. Tap the current name to bring up the editable field and keyboard. You type the new name directly. Choose something short so it displays cleanly in Messages, AirDrop, and device lists. Once typed, tap Done or press Return to commit the change. The Watch app immediately sends the update to the watch via Bluetooth and to iCloud. If the name reverts, make sure you didn't have multiple devices editing the same Apple ID at once. Finish by confirming the rename on the watch. Go to Settings, right arrow, General, right arrow, About to see the new name. If it hasn't updated, toggle Bluetooth on the iPhone, force close and reopen the Watch app, then try saving again. Make sure both devices have current iOS/Watch OS and stable network access so iCloud can sync. As a last resort, unpairing and repairing the watch restores the backup and pushes the chosen name.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.